Hello everybody and welcome back to the EcoPosh for You YouTube channel. Hello everybody, I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your week so far. If you're like me, that probably involves lots of coffee to make that happen. But regardless, I'm sure you're wondering why I'm doing another video on using Google AI Bard to help you write your descriptions. And the reason is because the day after I put my video out, Google Bard had a really great update to their program, and it has been very useful to me. I've been using it all weekend to help me rewrite my descriptions because honestly, my descriptions before were terrible. They basically just said, oh, this is a really cute dress. This is a really cute top. I mean, it's embarrassing. Okay, it's embarrassing. So I put a lot of time into rewriting them, and I let AI do most of the heavy lifting. All right. So the way that we do it now with the incorporation of the new feature is this. We're going to go through an example. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do, I use this. Now, if you don't, you may have to play around with it, okay? Because honestly, even if you typed in this exact same phrase, you might end up with something different. So you may have to play around with how you're going to ask it to write these descriptions and tags for you, okay? And the way that I do it is, what tags are the best to describe this item I am reselling? It is. All right. And basically I have that sentence on a little post-it note on my computer. I have a digital post-it note, and I just copy and paste this phrase over and over and over for each description. But like I said, AI is a funny thing. So you could use this exact wording and you may not get what I get. So just be patient and play around with it and tweak things up a little bit until you get the right output that you're wanting, if that makes sense. And of course, if anybody has any questions, I don't know everything, but I'm more than happy to answer any questions that I can. I can definitely answer them or help you find the answer to them. Okay, so let's see. That is what I use for every one that I ask, all right? And now what I do is I would put the title of the item that I'm listing next, okay? But before I do that, if the item was used, I would write down it is used, it is, so let me write this down. It is new with tags, and it is, and then I will put the item. Now, if it's not new, you could put it is used in good condition, it's used in excellent condition, it's used in fair condition, whatever. And that would make that a part of the description. Anything that you want to be a part of the description, you can put it in. Like, for example, does the shirt have a tear in it? You could write down, be sure to mention in the description that the shirt has a tear on the sleeve. So you can pretty much put anything in that you want out. Okay, so the item that we are going to be using as an example today, I'm going to copy the title for a pair of shorts that I have. Okay. And you can see there's the title of an item that I need the description for. Wallflower jean shorts, color white, size 3 or a size 26. Now what I would do, you can see there's a plus button here to the left with the box. It says upload file. Okay. And it says upload file. The types of files you can upload are a JPEG, a PNG, and a WebP. All right, so what I'm going to do, you can see it pulls up my download folder and you can find it. There's the pair of shorts that I want. I'm going to select those. All right, and then you can see how they pop up down at the bottom there. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and hit submit. And the reason that this is helpful is because Google can actually scan this image and come up with other things for it. So you don't have to write as much of the description when they can see the picture of it, right? Okay, so you can see that we went through some of the tags there. It just lists the tags for the items. It gave us some good suggestions. Here's another suggestion. You can also include other relevant tags, such as brand name, the fabric type, or any other details that you think would be helpful to potential buyers. Here is an example of how you could list your item on eBay. And then it has the title, and then there is the description. And the description says, brand new. These new Tag Wallflower white jean shorts are perfect for a casual or dressy look. They're made from a soft, lightweight cotton fabric and have a relaxed fit. The shorts have a 5-pocket design and a button fly closure. They would look great with a t-shirt or on a dress. And then you can see that they've got some more tags at the bottom for you too, in a different format, you know, the comma. So for people that like to put the tags in their listing that way, for me, I try to use the tags in my description. And if you notice, in this description, it does use most of the tags. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much how it works with the photograph. And what it does is, adding a photograph is going to allow you to not have to put as much information in, because the GOOGLEBARD AI will be able to see, like for example, that it has a 5-pocket design, that it has a button fly closure. You know, those are not things that I typed in. That's something that it figured out on its own. So adding the picture is very helpful in that way, in the fact that I think it adds more details to your listing. But I really hope that this helped you guys out, and I hope that you will enjoy using it. Just keep in mind, don't get frustrated. Kind of play with it a little bit. Eventually, you'll figure out the best way that it works for you. So, you guys have a great rest of your day.